Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unwrap this game asset which we had created in the previous tutorials. I will share the tutorials links in the description. If you didn't watch it, you can watch it from there. So without any delay, let's start unwrapping the asset. Press A and select all the pieces and go to shading. Create new material. Press Shift A and find image texture. Now connect color to base color. Select new. Pixel 2048. Generated type UV grid. Right now the material is applied to only one object. We come back to UV shading. Select all the object, then deselect and select the object which had the material applied. Press Ctrl L and choose link materials. Now you can see that our material is applied to all the objects. Let's hide the material from a UV grid. Now quickly check the normals. Click on the face orientation and you can see that there are two objects which had flip normals. So we have to correct it. Select all the pieces. Press Alt N and recalculate outside. Now you can see that our objects have perfect normals. It is advisable to check normals before unwrapping. I selected one object and am in the edit mode. Now I am select the edge loop. Press U, mark seam. Select this edge, Control, select this edge, mark seam. Same here. Select this edge, Control, select this edge, mark seam. Now select all the object, unwrap. Blender has provided two methods to unwrap any object. First one is angle based and other one is conformal. I do conformal this time. You can see that this method works very well. Let's choose another object. Let's choose this one. We don't need to add mark seam in this object. Simply select all the object, press U and unwrap. Looking perfectly unwrapped. Let's choose another object. Let's choose this speaker. This is also, we don't need to apply mark seam. Simply go to edit mode, press U and unwrap. You can choose both the method. Whatever you like the best, apply it. To isolate the object, press Shift H. Press Alt and select this edge loop, mark seam. Go to wireframe mode, select this edge loop, mark seam. Go to back view, select this edge loop. Select this path, mark seam. Press A, U, unwrap. Press Alt S to unhide everything. Now unwrap this text. We don't need the back side, so we will delete it. Select back vertices. Press X. Delete it. Now press A, U, project from view. Let's unwrap other objects in the same way. I hope you like this video. To see more videos like this, please subscribe my channel so that you will get notification as soon as I upload a new video for you. Thank you.